Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna and this is my creative corner. Yesterday I finally received my copy of Colors of Christmas, the Gnome International Heritage Collection, and I'm super happy to share a flip through with you today. This book is very close to my heart because it celebrates love and peace, something that the world desperately needs, while presenting Christmas traditions in a cozy and winter scenes from all around the globe. All, and all the scenes that you can see here are seen through the eyes of mighty forest folk, which are, as I believe, distant relatives of Nordic Christmas gnomes. And they are basically doing what they love most, uh, having fun. And since one of their specialties is bringing snow everywhere they go, let me show you the photos that I took today during my morning walk. If you are new to my books, each palette is never just a group of colors, um, like here. It's a whole new world and a story of its own. The structure of the palette card is consistent with my previous books, so on each page you will see the thematic color palette, the color swatch charts where you can record your best matches, a set of complementary colors, and the reference picture where you can see how all these hues work together in an actual scene. My goal with this collection was to help you bring more confidence and creativity and magic into your own coloring pages, especially during this season when we all crave coziness and sparkles and maybe a little bit of childhood nostalgia. But if you're looking for more traditional Christmas color combinations, there is Enchanted Christmas Colors book that I published last year, and it is my exploration of festive color schemes inspired by different styles and regions and historical periods, from Victorian times to modern times. And I believe it might be a perfect coloring companion if you enjoy classic holidays palettes. The Gnome book includes 30 color palettes. Each one is set in a different region or country or culture. And every palette is paired with a festive scene featuring forest folk during a traditional seasonal activity. So you will see moments like gingerbread magic from Poland, jelly alchemy in France, or regenerating rest under the tree of joy in Zimbabwe. There is snow too. And moments of waiting for the first star in Argentina, and many, many more heartwarming scenes. I absolutely loved bringing these micro stories to life, and I truly hope that they will help you bring that feeling of joy and anticipation and glow to your coloring pages or creative projects and beyond. Before we begin, I also want to let you know that I kept my promise, and my newest set of printable palettes featuring even more of forest folk scenes is totally free throughout Black Week until Friday, November 28th, on my Gumroad page. The palettes in this bundle are different from the ones in the book, and you can enjoy them both and have abundance of color inspiration for the whole season. You will find the link in the description box below. Just enter 0 in the price box to download the set for free. I hope that this gift from me to you will bring you some brightness to this week of sales madness everywhere. Alright, I will start some music in a moment, so sit back, relax, enjoy the flip through, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!